Hi, my name is Arvel Adano and I'm proud to share to you my journey. I'm a graduate of Electronics and Communication. After completing my studies, I began my professional journey as multimedia. For over 6 years, I worked in several companies. This experience taught me the importance of teamwork and effective communication skills in achieving common goals. However, despite the hard work, I began a sense of stagnation. I realized that I need to grow, search for new challenges, and earn a higher salary to secure my future. With this goal and positive thinking, I decided to explore opportunity that has been removed. Therefore, I applied for a position as factory worker in Japan. The application process was intimidating, involving multiple interview, tests, and exams that test my skills and determination. Upon arriving in Taiwan, the initial days were challenging, but my perseverance to adapt in the fast-paced nature of factory work nature. After successfully securing the position in Taiwan, my wife and I faced another significant decision. We carefully planned our move, considering its impact to our family moving to Canada, the long-term goal for our future, the adjustment that we made, and the challenges that came. Adapting to new culture, finding established a support network were all part of this journey. Currently, I'm studying at St. School of Management, pursuing a Bachelor of BBA, concentration of International Business Management. Along the way, I make new friends with diverse background and enhancing my understanding of multicultural. As I look forward to the future, and I'm excited about the possibilities. My goal is not only to complete my degree but also to leverage my education into successful career in international business management, hoping someday that I will manage my own business.